Whether you love your job or you hate your job, I'm going to show you 12 ways you can make more money with your 9 to 5 job. By the end of this video, I want you to tell me in the comments at least 5 of these methods you are going to start working on immediately you finish watching this video. The first one is what I call productized service packages. Every single thing that one does can be made into a product, and this is where you come in. You already work a 9 to 5 job. Let's say you are a social media manager, or you are an accounting consultant, or you are a finance editor, or you are a copywriter. Why don't you create product packages that you can sell to businesses around you or even other companies, so far there's no conflict of interest? What would this look like? So you're a graphic designer. I'm going to use the example of you being a graphic designer, and you provide designs or creative assets for a small business, right? Each month, maybe 12 designs at a fixed rate, maybe 100,000 naira, 150,000 naira per month, that sort of thing. Consulting coffee dates is basically you going on a date, a business date with somebody, and then, picking your mind, picking your brain, and just asking you tons of questions. This is something where a lot of people have been like, Damini, I would really love to just take you out. Let's just go and sit somewhere and talk. Now, you might not make money, actual cash out of this until you have a lot you've achieved in your career or in your business, which is fine. But you might get free drinks, you might get a free networking event or social event. You get to go out for free. So think about this. And it doesn't have to be coffee. I know I call it consulting coffee dates, but I'm just a sucker for coffee. You can tell people that you want to go to White House and eat amala and gbegiri. It's up to you. The next one is what I call the 4-hour masterclass, or even the 1-day masterclass. Basically, you're going to bring in businesses that have similar interests, or colleagues or employees that have a similar interest and want to achieve a certain goal. You're going to bring them into a room and offer them a 1-day masterclass. This could be around strategy. This could be around legal affairs. This could be around management. This could be around accounting. This could be around photography. This could be around creativity. It could be around anything. You would think that you don't have people that would be interested in this. But have people come to ask you about something that, how do you do this thing? Shay, you will show me how you do this thing. Can we just spend time together so you can walk me through it? All those people that are asking you those questions, tell them I'm going to do a 1-day masterclass from 9 o'clock to maybe 3 p.m. Oh yeah, all of you come. This is the registration fee, 5K. It's not a lot. If I'm going to learn that amount of knowledge in 1 day, and I know that it's going to take me so much time to go and watch YouTube videos, please, why won't I just pay my 5K with you and learn from you? With speaking engagements, it's a bit, you have to be established in your industry, and you need to work and build your personal brand, build your, thought leadership, that's the word, or authority in a particular industry. You need to build on that. And then, the brands, the companies, the businesses, the government agencies will reach out to you to come and speak at their events and pay you money. So this is something that requires long-term effort. It's not something that you can start today. I agree. But it's something that you should actively be thinking of as an additional source of income. Now we're looking at auditing services. Typically, you want to audit a business maybe once every year, and you can audit a business in so many different things, not just finance. A lot of people think it's when it comes to money and finance, you only audit businesses. No. What are they doing on social media? You can audit that. The products that they are selling, what is the quality like? What is their what are the materials they're using? You can audit that. See, there are so many things, guys, that you can audit. Don't just think it's only finance. There are so many things you can audit. Okay, so look at your business or look at what you do in your 9 to 5. What services can you offer to other businesses that they need, not necessarily want, that they need, that you can charge an auditing fee for? Okay, now, like I said, it will typically only happen maybe once every year or maybe once every quarter, depending on the kind of auditing service you run. So here, you want to leverage referrals. You do a good job for one business, let them refer you to 5 more. Out of that 5 more, hopefully maybe 1 or 2 will patronize you. Let those 1 or 2 businesses refer you to another 5 more. You see how you can easily get yourself booked for the whole year, every year. You get? There are 2 types of tools that you can create for every business. There is the one that is done for you. Actually, there are three. There's done for you, done with you, and there's do it yourself. So I'm going to give you an example now. With done for you, let's look at a online business, e-commerce business, okay? They are going to need digital or creative assets. They are going to need web banners. They're going to need pop-up banners. They're going to need email send-outs. They're going to need so many different things. You can create a done for you template bundle and then send it to them. Okay, all they have to do there is probably make some changes or make some edits with a editing software like Canva, Photoshop, or what's the other one called AI? I can't remember. There's another one that is .ai. You know, something like that. You can add a how to use video in the template kit you give them so that they can watch that video and learn how to use it. Now, the next one is digital apps. People don't even know about this, and I'll give you two examples. When Piggyverse launched, they had this referral program thing that they were doing where if you refer somebody, the person that referred you gets 1,000 naira. Lemfi, they do it where if you refer somebody, I think the person that referred you gets £5 and you also get £5 or something like that. Is it 5 or 20? Then they did one big one recently where if you refer somebody, you get £150. I'm not sure I can't remember how the whole thing works. The summary of it is there are these digital apps that you already use now that you can sign up for affiliate programs with and refer your friends. And the thing is, these are apps that they need to use. I'll give a very good example. I have a friend. Her main content channel is all about investing for beginners, right? Good. Trading 212. She's on the case. Damini, sign for Trading 212. Use my link. Make sure you use my link. Oh, this is somebody that has a very good job. This is somebody that is in Bali. This is somebody that is traveling and living lavish, enjoying life. But yet, she's still taking her time to be sending me a referral link. For how much? So you, again, I don't know if you've been to Bali, but you, what's your excuse? And you, okay, fine, maybe not Trading 212. Maybe now I say Trading 212. Piggyverse unko. Cowrywise unko. Money Point unko. There are so many of these tools. Now, I don't know if they offer this referral program or affiliate marketing or anything like that, but it is your job to go and check. Next one is paid newsletter. Now, with paid newsletters, it's something that it works with volume, depending on what you provide. So if you're an investor that speaks to only, high income individuals, you can sell a premium paid newsletter. If you are writing stories, cute, romantic, love, rom-com stories, things like that, you probably have to deal with volume. So that means you have to sell a affordable paid newsletter to a lot of people. So work out which one works for you and just try it. Even if it doesn't, see, what the worst thing that can happen is this thing will not work. You will not die. The worst thing that will happen, it just won't work. That's all. You will continue to exist. You will live. What happened yesterday will continue to happen today. It's just that you will now be a better person because you've learned something new. So just try it out, guys. Next one is workbooks and eBooks. Now, the reason why workbooks can work fantastically well, and I've seen it work fantastically well, is because people are able to impute themselves. They're able to kind of engage themselves with the workbook. So there's this lady, her name is Grace. I think it's Grace Beverly. She has it's called the productivity method. Now, a workbook is also called like a planner. There are a lot of names for workbooks, by the way. eBooks, again, that's my cup of tea. My only challenge is, and I'm not shading Nigerians here, but Nigerians don't read. Nigerians don't like reading. We want something quickly. We are very visual learners, visual or auditory learners. Is that reading one? It's like, and we're also very kinesthetic. We like to touch and feel the thing we are doing. We're auditory, kinesthetic. We want to touch it. We want to feel, as we're doing it. We enjoy feeling by doing, right? So that's why I'm not too sure about it. But again, test it out. eBooks. I've made some money with my own ebook. I've made some money there, and it's there every day. I need to update it though. I want to update it with some new things. But I wrote this like maybe 2-3 years ago, and it still makes some sales here and there every other day, something like that, and it's just 5K. Sometimes I'll be like, wow, really? 5K, okay, I can use on to buy coffee today. That sort of thing. So create it and just have it running on autopilot on one side. Create a course. All right? Create a course. It's not difficult. One of the courses that I bought was a 7-module course. I finished that course in 4 hours. Implemented what I learned from that course the same day, and I made $1 million by the end of the week from all that process. Fine, with these digital products, the profit margin is ridiculously high, like 90%, because it's just what's inside your head that most of the time you are selling. Then the platform you choose to sell takes a percentage. Then the payment platform or the payment processing platform that they are using also takes a percentage, those kind of things. But I don't get too technical here, right? So create a course, but make sure it's a course that people want and people are asking you for. And the best way to do this is the conversations you're having with people. What are they saying? What are they saying? Like, Shay, you will teach me this thing. Is there somewhere I can go and learn this thing? Can you recommend where I will watch this thing? You don't recommend, or rather stop recommending. Create your own and give it to them. All right? Good one. Now this one is a bit interesting. This is one of those ones where you might not make a lot of money at first, but if you do it and you build a reputation for yourself, you will make money. And this is just, a games night or a games day, but the business edition. We're not doing this one for truth or dare. None of that crap here. You're going to bring like-minded business owners together. Okay, you are looking for investment. You are looking for how to invest in. Come. You are looking for how to learn better advertising. You are looking for speaking engagement events or how to meet people that you can work with. Come. You bring these people together, okay? And all you do as the host or the compare is you charge a ticket and you tell them wholehearted, come, this ticket is just for drinks, food, and a small hosting fee. That hosting fee could be maybe 15%, 20%, not too much. This is one that has made me the most money, and that's you building an e-commerce business for yourself. Now, the reason why I like e-commerce businesses is because you can build it in such a way that doesn't require you to be physically present in the business. It's like you having a digital nomad lifestyle. This is a method I used to earn over 50 million naira in one business, okay? And if you want to learn how to start this e-commerce business in Nigeria, watch this video.